Hi guys, good morning. This is Sonu. Let me tell you something today. Actually, CGI have put a comment on unemployed people against something else, and unemployed make their parties like Cockroach Janta Party. If you don't believe that, then just go that social media app and let me search on Cockroach Janta Party. Within 3 days, it have follows crossed about 16 million. That means I could maybe wrong with it, but that 16 millions peoples are may not be no wrong. So what will be going on? Let me check and what to do, what not to do, and what is correct. And CGI what CGI says that unemployed are bill just like cockroach everywhere, anywhere, and anything else to do. So I support for Cockroach Janta Party. And what about you? Let me put your opinion on comment box as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.